cook, cook! You can't get the help today. I'll go and fetch it. Oh, please. Alright, my darlings, today it's very quick how to make some meringue bones. Great little trick, very easy to make and awesome for decoration. All you need is 2 egg whites, half a cup of sugar, which is 100 grams, a little bit of tartar, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then you get your egg whites, then you get your tartar, tartar, every time. Now you want to mix it medium until it makes soft peaks. Now it's soft peaks, what you want to do is hike it up to high, and while you're doing that, you want to add in your sugar slowly. It didn't take very long at all. And for flavouring, you can add in any flavour you wish. A little goes a long way, but I am adding some orange extract. You want to snip the ends off, just a little bit. The middle part of your bones, no longer than 3 inches long. I know. Done that, just 2 blobs on both ends, and there we go. Now what you have to do is pop this in the oven at 225 for 1.5 hours or until firm. Right, my darlings, now they're out of the oven after being in there for 1.5 hours. A little bit more spookiness to them by having some cocoa powder and lightly brush. You can see, very easy and great for decorating. You can decorate it around a cake, cupcakes, and that's it, my darlings. How to make quick meringue spooky bones. Until next time.